Lads, for the past month, I've been growing this TikTok page in the POV niche. Now, this page has started picking up a bit of steam, and we've got a few of the videos over to the 100,000 view mark. So, you know, well on our way into the creativity program. Now, I've got a problem with this niche. Now, I'm almost certain some of you guys will have the same problem. There's only 24 hours in the day. I know Molly May might have something to say about that.
Beyonce has the same 24 hours in a day that we do.
But there's only 24 hours in the day. And if you want to make one of these videos and actually make it look good, by the time you've gone through the whole process of generating the images, making them actually move, putting them into CapCut, you know, it can take me a good 30 to 45 minutes to craft one of these videos. You know, at this point, I see CapCut more than I see my own family. It's that bad. It's getting really bad. So that's why I've been on the hunt to find someone or something that can speed this whole process up for me. I've ended up stumbling on something that can literally create these videos in under 10 minutes with just a few clicks. And it doesn't just create the POV videos, it can actually make loads of different viral niches that are going viral on TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now. Honestly, this software is a godsend. I'm not clickbaiting you with this. Literally, I made this POV video that you're seeing on screen right now in just 5 minutes on this software, and look how it's come out. Like, it looks like one of the ones I've spent 30-45 minutes on. I wish I could go back in time and tell my past self not to waste all that time. So anyways, today I'm going to try and save you lots of time and put you onto the source of what I'm actually talking about. Alright, so enough waffling. The website that we're actually going to be using is something called AI Cut Pro. And as you can see from their homepage, there are loads of options of different videos you can create. For example, here we've got the AI POV that I was on about earlier, the niche that is absolutely blowing up right now and getting people millions and millions of views. Then you've also got AI image stories, fake text stories, Reddit stories, PDF to brain rot, AI UGC hooks, which is pretty crazy. Now, the thing that really interested me, separates this platform from loads of other platforms that I've seen, is how fast and easy it is to use. So like I said earlier, I don't have a lot of time on my hands. I want to bash out one of these POV videos really fast. So all you have to do is click AI POV, and then you're given two options, but it's literally as simple as generate image and sounds for you, because of course we want it to do all the work for us. And then we have the video idea. So POV, you wake up as a Viking to go into battle. Something simple like that. I don't really know. You know, we're just testing this software out now. I just want to show you how easy this can be. Video length, obviously if you want to get paid from the creativity program, you can click on that 65-second length, or you can do 30 seconds. It's completely up to you guys. For this, I'm going to show you that it can do 65 seconds, and then we're going to click on this little pro tab, which means we're going to get the best images and best sounds for our videos. You can even choose like the aspect ratio, so you can even create like long form videos. But obviously for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram, we want that 9:16. And then all we have to do is click generate image and sounds, and it's gonna cook up. AI Cut Pro is currently in the kitchen, and it is cooking us up a storm. Like I said, it will make this video in under 10 minutes, and right now it's saying 1 to 3 minutes it'll cook up this video, which is insane. All right, boys, and just like that, I don't want to blow your minds or anything, but it has created our entire video. So it's given us this little screen here where it says edit your AI POV videos, and as you can see, it's got the start, it's got you on a beach, it's got you looking over some crazy landscapes, it's got some ships coming in, you're in war, you're in battle, you're tying a shoe or something, you've got your sword out, it looks like it's getting tense, and then you're going into war again, and you're going on a ship, and it's just created this entire scene, this entire Viking battle from that one prompt that I gave it. Keep in mind, I gave it a very, very simple little prompt, and it's created all of this in under 2 minutes. So now that it's created this whole storyline and all these images, then go one step further and say, let's say, you know, I don't like this Viking scene here. You can actually click on the change image, and you can see what prompt it's used. So in this prompt, it said, you look towards the horizon where the distant silhouettes of longboats and etched against the sky, their dragon-headed prows stand proudly. The fact that it's given us that prompt by itself is ridiculous, by the way. But then you can actually change that prompt and generate the image yourself to make it look a bit. But I actually quite like that. I actually quite like that one. Let me find one that I'm not too keen on. Context, let's just do this shoelace one. You know, I do think it fits with the narrative, but let's just change it to show you that you can. POV, you sharpen your sword before battle. And then just click on the generate image button here, and what that's going to do is it's going to make us a new image for our video. Arguably this one's better. Basically this has worked out pretty cool, so we're sharpening the sword and then he's using the sword out in the forest. And then basically once you're happy with all the images, all you have to do is click this AI video toggle on all of these videos, and what that's going to do is basically animate the images for you. You can actually choose to give it some more creative direction with the animation, like you can include like the camera details, how you want it to pan, if you want it to zoom in on certain things, if you want certain things to come to life. I'm actually going to just leave all of this open and up for the AI to interpret here, just because I reckon it'll do a pretty good job by itself. But yeah, we'll just click on AI video. All you have to do then is click on turn images into AI videos, and then it's going to cook again. It says it's going to take 1 minute to turn all of these into videos. So it took 2 minutes to make all the images, and now it's taking 1 minute to actually make the images into videos. It took us, what, 2 minutes to go through these images. You can literally craft these videos in about 5 minutes, which is, it's ridiculous. Alright, so let's go ahead and watch this video then. As you can see, POV, you wake up as a Viking about to go into battle. You know, it's got the nice little camera animations. We're going in on this one. He's added some sound effects as well. You know, we've got the water turning. He's going into battle. There's a nice little action shot there. It's got the sword being crafted. And then it's actually got a nice cool sound effect for the sword here. Where it goes ring. Which I think is pretty cool. He's into battle now. You know, he's playing the drums, the march into drums into battle. The Walkers looks like some crazy Viking god theme thing going on. And then they're leaving on the ship. Now, like I said, we didn't actually go too much into depth with the prompt details. We kind of give this program free reign to do whatever it wanted. You can actually individually craft each prompt for each of these videos to make the perfect video that you want, which I think is really cool. Another thing that I'd say as well is we did a 65-second length video there. If I was you and I was just started going out a page, I'd just hit the 30-second one. I'd focus on making that 30-second one as good as possible by creating the prompts for each step, actually going into it and making sure each frame looks the best, and spending a bit more time on it than I maybe did. And you can craft like some really viral videos, because basically you just want to focus at this stage of your journey of getting fast views on TikTok, and you can actually get paid on YouTube Shorts for videos under a minute anyway. So you don't really need to focus on making videos over 60 seconds until you've got over 10,000 followers on TikTok, because right now you want to be focusing on just straight growth, trying to get those followers, trying to get that engagement up, and perfecting these perfect videos. But like, you could literally do this with anything. I said in my last AI POV video, you know, sometimes you don't want to just do history videos, you want to do other types of videos. So I just threw in POV, you wake up as Iron Man, like the example that I showed in my last video. But this has just done all of that image generation in a minute, and it's made it look pretty cool. Like, you're waking up, it's got like these cool Iron Man gauntlets on him, it's got like some crazy business thing, it's Tony Stark doing some madness with Jarvis or whatever. He's looking at like one of his suits, and then he's flying, and then he's enjoying a bit of whiskey, and like that. Obviously, again, like I say again, you can change any of these images and, you know, go more into depth with the prompts. The fact that it's just made this scene in a minute is ridiculous. And obviously, like I said before, you can animate each individual image. So this video that I've just made in a minute here on AI Cut Pro, because it takes even less time for 30-second videos, took me what, 35 minutes on that last video that I showed you, doing everything manually. It's actually crazy that software exists like this now, and AI is getting so good. I'm getting a bit scared about my job, to be honest, on how easy this stuff is. It's just created this nice little scene of Iron Man flying through New York City. Crazy how it's just done that scene and made it actually look really smooth as well, and give you the proper POV feel. Now, AI POV is the niche that is blowing up at the minute. If you did want to dabble with some other stuff, they do actually offer stuff like AI image story, where you can literally click on this type of video that you want. You know, you could even do Minecraft image stories, which could actually be a good niche idea. I didn't know they did this. That's actually pretty cool. But like, you can basically just create text of a story, and then it'll recreate the story in this theme. So you do photorealism, Tokyo, Pixar. You can make a Pixar little short if you wanted to. You can do the fake text story niche, which is, as I've mentioned before, is a good brain rot niche. Reddit stories, which we've talked about before. PDF to brain rot. This basically does, which I think is cool, is if you upload a PDF, it will then turn your text into brain rot, and you can consume your PDF or your Word document in like a brain rotty way, if that makes sense. So like, if you're revising for a test or something and you put the PDF into here, it'd appear with the Minecraft parkour gameplay in the background, so it'd help you revise better, which I wish that I had this when I was in school. And something else that's really cool is you have these AI UGC videos, which I think is nuts, by the way, that you can click on one of these characters. Let's say we want her for the video, so we can just create create a hook, put the text on the screen, make the text whatever color you want, and you can actually just type in the voiceover of what you want this woman to say. So this woman's basically going to say whatever you want her to say, and then you can put some music on it, so you can basically get her to advertise your products if you're doing TikTok shop, or just say whatever you want. Honestly, these guys are crushing it, and they're making life really, really easy with all these options. Definitely going to be using this service, my POV page, which by the way, I will be releasing a full challenge video that is in the works, so definitely make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. Check out AI Cut Pro, there'll be a link down in the description, and I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.